boys and girls, follow along with me, please. I am going to say 3 words. I want you to tell me the word that does not rhyme. Okay, so there will be 2 words that rhyme and 1 word that does not. Tell me the word that does not rhyme. Your words are proof, crow, flow. Proof does not rhyme. Snack, track, brown. Brown does not rhyme. Green, grand, clean. Grand does not rhyme. Plus, plowed, crowd. Plus does not rhyme. Glide, tried, globe. Globe does not rhyme. Okay, now I am going to say 2 words. I want you to repeat the 2 words and then tell me the first sound in the word. Okay, so the first one is crumb, climb. You say crumb, climb, k, just like that, okay? Fruit, flight. Slice, spoil. S, gruff, glue. G, spread, steak. S. Now I'm going to say the sounds in the word. You blend them together to make a word. The sounds are s, n, a, k. Snack. P, l, a, m, p. Plump. St, r, eat. Street. K, r, ow, d. Crowd. G, l, itch. Glitch. K, r, eek. Creek. St, I, l. Style. L, d. Flood. Shock. Shock. T, ice. Twice. All right, now I am going to say a word, and the word will have the SP blend in it. So you will hear sp in the word. I need you to tell me what part of the word has sp. Is it the beginning, the middle, or the end? Okay, here we go. Your first word is space. That would be beginning, space. Spaghetti. Beginning. Gasp. End. Suspense. That's the middle. Whisper. Whisper. That's the middle. Crisp. End. And sport. That's the beginning. All right, I'm going to say a word. Please tell me all the sounds in the word. Your first word is choose. So it'll be ch-ooze. Place. Place. Floppy. F-l-a-p-e. Stump. St-a-mp. Slept. Slept. Crisp. Crisp. Blind. Blind. Shrimp. Shrimp. Splash. Splash. Chance. N, S. Say lend, add B to the beginning. Blend. Say lake, add F. Flake. Say resident, add P. President. Say late, add S. Slate. Say lay, add K. Clay. Say ride, add B. Bride. Say ray, add G. Gray. Say black without B. Lack. Say clap without K. Lap. Say grab without G. Rab. Say praise without P. Raise. Say space without S. Pace. Say grace without G. Race. Say brick without B. Rick. Say sway without S. Way. Say sweep without S. Weep. Say flight without F. Light. Say map. Change app to an. Man. Say man. Change an to at. Mat. Say mat. Change at to aid. Maid. Say maid. Change aid to at. Met. Say met. Change et to is. Miss. Say miss. Change is to eat. Meat. Say meat. Change eat to ache. Make. Say make. Change ache to ite. Might. Say might. Change ite to oon. Moon. Say moon. Change oon to s. Mess. Okay, now I have some cards. I want you to tell me letter and sound. You say it, and then I'll say it to make sure you got it right. A. E. I. O. U. A. U. E. O. Or. I. A. Ball. A. An. A. Am. Ang. Ung. Ing. Ong. Ink. Onk. Unk. Ank. Sk. Sk. Sl. Sm. Whoops. Sorry, guys. That's upside down. Sw. Silly Mrs. Nivison. There we go. Sn. Sp. Sp. St. St. Great job, guys.